Well, I had heard how popular Only Fools and Horses was in Serbia, so I decided to go out and try and find out why this was. Belgrade, a Balkan nation, a part of the world that I didn't know an awful lot about. I mean, the odd thing, but it was all very scattergun. So I was fascinated not only to find out about the history of this Balkan nation, but also meet the people and find out why they were so in love with Only Fools and Horses. And I had a lot of adventures, and I met an awful lot of people, and some very, very surprising results. But it was fascinating for me on so many levels. I mean, this history, I've always been fascinated by history, to find out the history of a place, whether that had anything to do with the fact that there was this connection with humour between us. If humour can unite people, maybe that's the answer.